Yo, what's going on? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to set up 301 redirects using WordPress. So let's get into it. I'm Jay Cartere from growonyoutube.com, teaching you how to be better. And a redirect is basically when your website redirects to a different website. I can show you an example now that will make sense to you. If I go to growonyoutube.com/crystal, this will take you to the hosting service that I use, and this is my affiliate link that takes you there. So if you've got any affiliate links or you're linking to anything and you've got like a really long link, then you can use a redirect to make those links smaller, shorter, cleaner, and easier to use. By the way, I do really recommend you go and use Crystal if you are looking for some new reliable hosting. Their customer service is amazing. They've got a UK based customer service team, so everyone speaks English, and that is really one of the top things that you want when you're looking for hosting. So go to growonyoutube.com/crystal if you want to go and check out their packages and their services. But I'm going to be showing you two ways to create a redirect using your WordPress site. The first way is going to be going through a plugin that you should have on your website already. And the second way is going to be going through our cPanel or our file manager, which is a way that you'll be able to use if you don't have a plugin or you kind of want to get a little bit more nitty gritty with the code that you're putting in. So let's get into it. First of all, if you go to your website and you download the Yoast SEO plugin and you install it, which I highly suggest everyone gets this plugin, there's no reason not to have it. Then if you click down here and you go to the Yoast SEO page, it will bring you to this page and you can go to File Editor. This will allow you to access your access file, which is the file that you need to get into in order to create a 301 redirect. So let's go to the file editor and it will show us all the redirects that we currently have available. So I've scrolled past the other things that we've got in here because I don't know how vulnerable that makes me if people see that code. But basically, this is how you set up a redirect. You need to write redirect, then you want a space, then you write 301, then you want a space, then you've got the /, and then basically whatever you want that redirect to be. So for example, this /TubeBuddy, this redirect is actually growonyoutube.com/TubeBuddy. You do need to create different redirects for different case sensitivities. So if I just had it in lowercase for TubeBuddy, then if someone typed in TubeBuddy with these two capitals, then they actually wouldn't be able to get to this link. So you do want to create a variety of different versions of the different types of things that people can type in to get to this page. But as you can see, this 301 redirect directs people to this site. So after you've set up your redirect, whatever link you want to go to, you have another space and then you have the actual website. So it's http://tubebuddy.com/Jay Cartere, and growonyoutube.com/TubeBuddy will basically take you to here. So that is how that works. That's how you write the redirect code. It needs to be put in your access file, and that is how you do it using Yoast SEO. You can then save the changes here, and then that will work. For example purposes, I'm going to quickly create an example redirect to show you that this works. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy this redirect, and then I'm going to change the actual link. So we'll change this to testing12, and that's in capitals, and that should take us to tubebuddy.com/Jay Cartere. So let's let that save. And now let's go to growonyoutube.com/testing12. as you can see, it redirected to tubebuddy.com/Jay Cartere, which is exactly what I wanted to happen. You can also set up redirects to redirect old posts to new posts, and old links to new links, and old sites to new sites, and all that sort of stuff. So definitely, this is definitely a useful tool. I use it a lot for my different links to make them cleaner and easier to remember for people. But the second way that you can actually do this is to go through your cPanel or file manager. So let's go into our Crystal admin hosting right about now. And here we are. Now we need to go to our file manager. And when we go in here, we also need to allow us to see the htaccess file, which may be hidden when you actually come in here. So in order to do that and to make sure that the htaccess file shows up, you can go to settings in the top right hand corner, and then you can go to show hidden files, and you basically just allow that and hit save, and then the htaccess file will show up and you will be able to edit that. But in order to get to this file in Crystal, you first need to go to the public HTML file, and then you just need to go to htaccess from here. You can right click and hit edit, and then you basically just want to hit edit again, and this will bring you to your htaccess file, and you will be able to scroll down and see all the redirects that have already been placed here, and you'll be able to add your new redirects. As you can see, we have the testing 1.2 that we added from earlier, and we are able to add more redirects over here. Now, this is generally the interface that I use when I'm adding redirects, because I actually only discovered today that I could use the Yoast SEO plugin. So maybe I will use that from now on, because that is an easier way to do it. But you can definitely go through the whole cPanel then file manager way if that's what you want to do, especially if you don't have that plugin, or you don't want to get that plugin and you don't want to get any plugins. This is what you do to go through your file manager basically. And that is how you set up a 301 redirect through your htaccess using WordPress. I hope this video helped you out. If you are in need of some hosting services, I recommend going to growonyoutube.com/Crystal. I've been using them for, I think it's been nearly a year now. They're way better than all the last hosting places that I had. All the last hosting places had customer service agents who were clearly reading a script and they couldn't really speak English. Now I'm able to contact people in the UK, which is great for me. It's also great for you if you're in the US or any English speaking country, and the customer service is just amazing over there. So I highly recommend hosting a website using Crystal, as the hosting is great, the customer service is great, and anytime I've had a problem, I've been able to contact the customer service. They get back to me really quickly and they deal with it. So I definitely wanted to let you know about that in case you were going through the problem that I was going through, which is searching for good hosting for a reasonable amount of price with actual good customer service. And I found that at growonyoutube.com/Crystal. Thanks again for watching and liking and subscribing. If you've got any questions or any other tutorials you'd like me to make, please leave those in the comment section down below, and I will see you in the next web hosting tutorial. Peace out.
It's been a cold winter and it's lasted far too long, so all this warmth I share with you.